Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is unit number 7, sports and sportsmanship. Let us start with words meanings. First word is cheat, English meaning violate rules dishonestly, Urdu meaning dhokha dena. Next word is finalize, English meaning to settle on a particular plan or formula, Urdu meaning hatmi shakal dena. Next word is mistake, English meaning a wrong action arising from faulty judgment, Urdu meaning galti. Next word is nurture, English meaning encourage the development of feeling, Urdu meaning parvish karna. Next word is official, English meaning relating to an office or position of authority, Urdu meaning sarkari. Next word is participate, English meaning take part or be involved in it, Urdu meaning hissa lena. Next word is permission, English meaning a formal consent, Urdu meaning ijadat. Next word is preparation, English meaning the process of preparing, of being prepared, Urdu meaning tayari. Next word is quitter, English meaning someone who gives up too easily, Urdu meaning jald haar manne wala. Next word is race, English meaning a contest of speed in running, Urdu meaning dod. Next word is sense, English meaning an awareness or an ability to make judgment regarding some specified thing, Urdu meaning kabiliyat. And now we start question answers. First question is, what is meant by sportsmanship? Answer is, sportsmanship means playing fair, following the rules of the game, respecting the teammates and officials, treating opponents with respect, being gracious in victory and defeat, keeping a respectable image in the world of sports. Question number 2 is, why should we not cheat in game? Answer is, we should not cheat in a game because cheating destroys the spirits of good sportsmanship. The image we project as a player is a product of our character. If we cheat in sports, we cannot be fair in the fields of life. And question number 3 is, why is it important to control your emotions when you lose? Answer is, you may not always win, but you can learn something from losing. It is important to control your emotions when you lose so that you might take maturity and courage to improve yourself for the next time. Question number 4 is, games also teach us teamwork. How? Answer is, team sports games instill the spirit of teamwork. They teach us how to work in a group with full harmony. We also learn the qualities of leadership. Question number 5 is, which games do you like the most? Why? Our answer is, I like badminton, ludo and chess the most. These games can be played in a short time. I am a student and I have short time for playing. I play cricket with my friends on Sunday only because every Sunday I have some spare time. And we start word meaning. First word is fill, meaning pour karna, sentence, fill this glass with milk. Next word is feel, meaning महसूस करना, sentence, I am not feeling well. Next word is fit, meaning तंदुरुस्त तवाना, sentence, Saad is as fit as a fiddle. Next word is feet, meaning पाँव, sentence, a man has 2 feet. Next word is ship, meaning bahri jahaz, sentence, a ship has arrived at the harbor. Next word is sheep, meaning bhede, sentence, sheep are grazing in the fields. Next word is pin, meaning pin lagana, sentence, please pin these papers. Next word is pine, meaning snowbird, sentence, there are many pine trees in the northern areas of Pakistan.